Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, we got blind spot assist with premium 1 package. Burl walnut trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel control with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad, our wheel for our infotainment center, volume button. This C-Class has 43,590 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.